Hi there, this is our DPP-270S liquid blister packing machine. Can pack honey, jam, sauce, oil into blister. Max capacity 11,200 blister per hour. Large size and large depth blister forming. Ensure consistent blister size and high accurate. We have prepared various fitting solutions according to your material. Ceramic pump, especially for small dots. High precision filling. Plug pump solves the problem of filling viscose materials. Peristaltic pump, high cost performance, easy to handle most materials. Double cylinder heat sealing. The texture is clear, wrinkle-free. Show motor traction. Error less than 1/10,000th. Full clamps cutting. Finished product has no burrs. The working station adopts modular design. The entire mold can be replaced within 40 minutes. Let you worry-free maintenance and cleaning. We are China's leading manufacturer. Our blister machines are popular among customers. To purchase blister packing machine, welcome to Canals.